Subtracting up to 100 quickly. It is easy to subtract numbers up to 100 quickly using a number grid. Here are the steps. 1. Form a number grid from 1 to 100. 2. Highlight the minuend in the number grid. 3. Look for the number of tens in the subtrahend. Move up that many numbers of rows in the number grid. 4. Highlight the number that you have reached. 5. Look for the number of ones in the subtrahend. Move towards left that many numbers of columns from the number highlighted in step 4. 6. The number you have reached at in step 5 is the difference between the given minuend and the subtrahend. Look at the number grid shown below. A. For subtracting 29 from 57, start at the number 57. Move up 2 rows, equivalent to 2 tens in 29. You reach 37. From here, move back 9 columns, equivalent to 9 ones in 29. You reach 28. So the difference between 57 and 29 is 28. B. Similarly, subtract 37 from 96. To subtract 10 from a number, start from the number and just move one step upwards. To subtract 20, 30, move 2, 3 steps upward respectively. For example, to subtract 30 from 75, move 3 steps upward from 75. You reach 45. So, 75 minus 30 equals 45.